Alright, so here we go. So do a quick little breakdown of the pairs I'm looking at this week. So we got EURCAD. I do see they did break structure right here. We did have a lower high, another lower high, broke above, cool. Now I did see right here, look at this, support, higher low, did come back, rejected that area, shot back up, higher low, strong rejection, higher low. Now on honesty, I'm not the biggest fan of that candle. So what I am looking for potentially is for price to let's take this off, price to come back down, give me a further retrace to further push up. That's what I would like to see. But for the most part, I am looking for buys. Now if price breaks this support, then we'll look for sales, but in the meantime, everything is bullish to me. All right. Oh, why am I on stocks? That was EURCAD. Okay, EU looks chef's kiss to me. Okay, cool. Now it was pushing down, as we can see. That is lower high, mid support, lower high, came back, retested that support, broke above it. I'm looking for price to come back to that resistance it made. So let's go down to the H4. We see we had a nice support right here. Higher low, cool. Another higher low, cool. No honesty, I'm looking for the similar to the same thing. Give me a push down, give me some type of higher low, whether it retested support or not. Give me a higher low to further push up. All right, let's go down to the next one. What's the next one? GU looks the same. I'm looking for price to get to this daily resistance. Now if we go to the H4, as we can see, price broke structure numerous times. Had a higher low, broke that. I mean a lower high, my apologies. Then we had a higher low, another higher low. I'm looking for price to give me another higher low somewhere, whether either retest the support or somewhere in this area to push up to that resistance. That's all I'm looking for. Even if we go down to the 1 hour time frame, not the biggest fan of how that closed. So once again, I would definitely love to get a nice little push down to further push up. But once again, just have to read and react, see what the market wants to do. So I don't want to force anything. Now overall, if price breaks this, then I'm looking for it to get up there. Yeah, it's a nice little area I'm looking for it to get to. But yeah, so everything so far bullish. Same with NU. Now with NU, I would love to see prices come back down, retest its support. It could wick out, we could do whatever. Just don't close below this, preferably, to further push up. Because if we look left, this is where price closed at. It is nothing to the left that will be like, oh, you know what, we need to sell, or anything that will prevent price from getting to this. And this, I'm not too concerned about that. This is that main area in which I'm looking for a price to get to. So I think this is a beautiful setup. So I'm going to set that alert. Or did I set an alert right here? You already have an alert set. All right, USD CHF. I'm not the biggest fan of this. But we'll see how this look. I did see, cool, we had a lower high. The supports that were broken, move this back up. This support was broken, this support was broken, this support was broken. So ultimately, I do see price coming down into this area. Once again, we shall see what price will do afterwards. If it breaks that area, then cool, I'm looking for price to get down around 79 or 0.7900. That's pretty much what I'm looking for. And gold, I'm not the biggest fan of how gold is looking. It just feels like it's just consolidating on a higher time frame. Now if you go down, you probably can catch a move, because as we see, reject it off here, we know it's gonna come down here. If we reject off here, it's gonna come back up here. Reject off here, we it's gonna come back down here. So the play still stands. If it, comes down and reject off here, off this area again, then ultimately I'll be looking for price to come back up here. Let's look at the H1. Yeah, so yeah, price just comes down either equal low or higher low. Once price breaks above that lower high on the H1, preferably the 30-minute time frame, then I'll look for buys. But in all honesty, I think the cleanest setups that I'm looking at are EU, GU, and NU. NU looks the absolute cleanest to me, so I'll probably trade that or look at more so than the other pairs. But overall, those are the pairs that look the best to me. And that's my weekly breakdown for this week.